pulled into Walmart at South Haven. Everyone has to meet up here before the event to get basically your parking order. So you register, get your ticket and everything here, and then head down. Hanging out? Yeah, dude. Justin Medina's not here, of course. Something with the Dodge issues or something like that. I don't know. Was that egg salad sandwich? Oh, a salad. Nice. Okay. Well, we'll go wait in line soon.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, so everything up till this point was going pretty good. We had all day Friday, no issues, getting ready. Then we went out Saturday, and we had some power steering issues. So the pump kind of failed.
So you've been working on your car for the last hour and a half, and we drift in.
Yeah. So what happened? It was the first lap of the last session. Went into 1, 2, it was fine. Went down the straightaway between 2 and 3, and I had no power steering at all. So normally that's either the belt came off or something like that. Belt was fine. Power steering fluid was all in there, and came back in to look at it. We either sheared off the shaft to the power steering pump, or one of the seals got messed up, because when I turned the car off, I could manually steer it easier than when the car was on. So not really sure what happened there. But anyways, tried to find a Mustang pump. It's used the S197, like a 05 to 09 Mustang pump. Nobody had one unless they were like an hour away. So we found a F-150 pump, which is basically the same thing. We had to take these little like spacers off, and then we had to adjust one of the ports, so because the fluid in port is like different. It's probably different sides of the motor or something like that. But anyways, did all that, just tested it just in the paddock and on the street a little bit, and it looks like it's working and it feels like it's working. No leaks right now. So we got next session a little.
And we went back out next session on Saturday, and it failed in the first lap. So pretty disappointed in this. I was kind of annoyed, but I just pulled in and we just kind of hung out the rest of the day, and just hung out with the friends and made the best we could of the weekend. So yeah, we made it back, got everything swapped over now, and getting ready for the next event. So sorry I don't have any more footage for you, but that's kind of how our weekend ended. So what I basically determined is that when the first pump failed, being like a parts store one, it threw a bunch of junk into the system, and I didn't really clean it out at all at the track. So all this glitter was basically just thrown into a new pump, and that's why it destroyed immediately. I spent a lot of time cleaning out the system, got all of this out of it, replace as many components as I can, and I'm going to try that for next event.